When 90% of tunnel equipment gets stuck in the corner, the fourth-generation tunnel master has broken through the physical limits. The world's first dual-power tunnel boring machine. Patented 360 omnidirectional robotic arm system. Construction radius covering a spherical space of 3.8 meters. Military-grade manganese steel trap. 别害没你毁 drill bit side. Equipped with double hydraulic power heads. Powerful and significantly improved construction efficiency. Pick and steel slide frame. Strong and wear-resistant. Not easy to deform. Add water vapor check. Tunnel construction essentials. The entire aircraft fuel line uses a double-wide fuel line. Withstand high temperature. Sturdy and durable. Source factory research and development. Full machine supports customization. Make first and ship immediately. Buy drilling rigs from Hongrun to make your project more efficient.